Nadia Sawalha showed her support for tonight's England squad as she posted a saucy clip to her 521,000 followers. The Loose Women panel member is no stranger to putting her flesh on display as the presenter continues to promote body positivity. Nadia, 58, rocked the St. George's flag in way of a two-piece bikini while imitating a model's similar pose. The ITV favourite flashed the flesh while holding a broom and a shield which showed off the England flag. In the clip, Badil, Skinner, and Lightning Seeds, 3 lions, footballs coming home, Antha played in the background. She captioned the post, laughing emoji, "If you can't beat 'em, join 'em. Good luck, boys." Nadia added the hashtags, #World Cup 2022 #IngFsFra #England vs France #2022 World Cup #Doha World Cup #FIFA World Cup 2022 #InStaves Reality #RealityVs Instagram. At least 15,000 supporters are expected to be in the El Bayt Stadium to cheer on Gareth Southgate's men as the 3 Lions face off against the World Cup champions France at 7 p.m.